Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Microsoft Store is missing on your Windows 11 computer. So if Microsoft Store is missing on your Windows or Windows 10 computer, you can follow the steps. Now for this, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. And then click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, on the same window, paste the second command, then hit the enter key. Now you should be able to see Microsoft Store now. Now still you are unable to install Microsoft Store. In that case, run only the first command this time. Type in PowerShell once again, and then make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you always open PowerShell as an administrator. Make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. You have to open this PowerShell as an administrator and then click on Yes to allow and run only the first command this time. First time you have to run both the command and then check Microsoft Store. If that does not work, open PowerShell as an administrator and then run only the first command. Hit the enter key. Now once this is done, launch Xbox app. Most of the time Xbox app is pre-installed on your Windows 11 computer. So you can type in Xbox over here, and if you have Xbox app, you can open Xbox app. If Xbox app is missing, in that case you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Xbox website. Here you can see download the app. You can click on download the app and then run this exe file and then install Xbox app. Now once Xbox app is installed, you can open Xbox app on your computer. So in the search box, you can type in Xbox app, open Xbox app. Now once you open Xbox app, it will show you, just wait for a few seconds. So here you can see this app needs an extra component. Microsoft Store is needed for your account management. And you will see the install option to install Microsoft Store. So click on install. And here you can see installing Microsoft Store. This may take a few minutes. So just wait for a few minutes. It's still installing. So I think it's installed now. Yeah, I think so. Let's check. So here you can see Microsoft Store has been installed. So this is how you can reinstall Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.